it's windy. I know I may look like crap, but that's okay. I'm working. Look at my nails. That's stupid. Let's keep on going. Today is maintenance day for the Minnie. I have to give it a good wash. What else do I need to do? Oh, what I want to do is to paint the wheels. I tend to forget that my rig is not 4x4, and sometimes I drive it through areas or routes I shouldn't. So I lost one of these babies. I lost one of the hubcaps. Instead of buying a new one, I figured that I would paint them black. That way I have less maintenance and worry about losing another cap. And also it's easier to access the duallys in the back when I need to put some air. That's what I want to do. And to do that, I need to first clean the caps very well. And after that, I'm going to treat the metal so it doesn't rust as easily. And also it helps with the paint. And this is what let me see. Oh yeah. I got this to paint the wheels with. Let's start the process. I need to wash the wheels very well, then I'm gonna treat the metal, dry it, and paint it. Oh, the memories that the stickers bring. I have to add some more stickers still. Beautiful memories. Whew. Dang. It's very, very dirty. Poor panels too. Oh wow. It is hard work, but it's gratifying when I can get it done. The more I do, the more I learn. The more I do, the easier it gets. I think that's true for most things in life. Good and bad, I guess. All right. I think I'm ready for the fun part. I'm ready for the fun part. All right. power wash, let them dry and paint them. Whew. So the power wash wasn't enough to remove all this stuff here, so I'm gonna do it. See, I'm gonna do it by hand, and hopefully I'll get all of it. I think it is safe to say that I'm ready with the outdoor washing. I washed the whole RV and the wheels and myself. So let's keep on going. I know I may look like crap, but that's okay. I'm working. Look at my nails. I'm gonna take care of myself after this. Anyway, now preparing the wheel surface for the paint. I'm going to spray an acid. This is the acid, and it's supposed to help with the rust and also with the paint, so it adheres better. I'm supposed to spray it on the metal and then let it heal or rest for 24 hours and then paint, or maybe another coat. I think I'm just gonna paint, I'm not sure. Just spray the acid on the metal, making sure that it is everywhere. It doesn't smell or anything. Okay. So I'm gonna say this is cover all over. And it's good to cover your surface with some cardboard so you don't damage your surface. Let's go do the next one. Stupid. All right, let's do this right. This is the part I want to use. So this is a little bit of a shield for the tire, although it's not a big deal, but it looks neater if we do it that way. I just don't want to get black all over myself. I'm usually not very good protecting my body. All right, here we go. Maybe if I'm on this side it's better. Yeah, I can see better. Last one. Okay, so this is one can and it worked for all the 4 tires, one coat. I have another can. I may apply a second coat, but I think this looks pretty good. It's been a couple of weeks since I did my wheels, and I am very happy with the results. It was a little bit of work, but if you want to do it right, you want to take some time. And I'm very pleased with the results. I think yes? Okay, you like it too? I think the results are very pleasing. I like the look of the Minnie much better now. So yeah, I'm happy with the results. I think it was a really good upgrade, a little modification. It's gonna be so much easier now to accept the inner rear wheels when I need to get air, and I don't have to worry about losing another cap on the road again. So I would definitely recommend this upgrade. A little bit of an upgrade, I guess. I'm looking forward to showing you what else I have done to prepare me for full-time nomad life. Thank you for watching. Ciao.